The world is changing faster than ever. There are profound changes in longevity and demography. Rapid advances in technology, increasing globalization, changing values, and an urgent need to solve global warming. As Linda Grattan stated, this change is not the result of a single force, but rather a subtle combination of 5 forces that will fundamentally transform how we live, how we work, and how we develop future organizations. To understand that future, to be prepared, the HR team set up an exercise on future worlds. The outcome was exciting. There is no one clear future. We, Johnson & Johnson, our employees, our leaders, and HR will move in different worlds. The first world is what we call the SAP world. This is the part of our business where we have all necessary in-house expertise to bring solutions to the market. The SAP world is stable, but also less flexible. Compliance and quality are key characteristics. In this world, HR employees will play an important role in process execution and will work with the talent and the wisdom in the organization. The next world is called the Wintel Inside world. This is the world of organizations that are working together in different forms with a clear joint deliverable. They are each creating their long-term competitive advantage by locking in and combining their science and technology to form a unique solution that is hard to copy. Wisdom is in the system. Together, we are strong in improving and innovating healthcare solutions. In this world, the HR team will play an important role in supporting collaboration and interdependency and developing intrapreneurs. The third world is the Apple App Store world. In this world, Johnson & Johnson is still a kind of sun in the solar system. Thanks to our heritage, knowledge, and capabilities, we still play a major role that other parties would like to tap into, make use of, or collaborate with. These relationships will foster an inflow of new compounds, technologies, science that can complement our healthcare solutions. The challenge of the HR partner will be to create magnetism, to work with a flexible and diverse workforce, and to develop a strategic view on future capabilities. The last world is what we call the Linux world. It's all about co-creation, ecosystems, changing partners, and creating collective energy. The greater part of this organization is working virtually to make up talent hubs all over the world. The majority of the work will be project-based, with very short life cycles. We will work with a lot of freelancers who can deliver specific skills. In this world, the HR team will play an important role in creating this agility and in brokering talent and entrepreneurs all over the world. The company will no longer define the rules, the talent will define the rules. It is clear that these 4 worlds all have their value, their strengths, their characteristics, and their pitfalls. Solid and simplified processes and a robust base will help us to navigate in these worlds, to guide business and employees in their need for customized support and ideals. We are entering the age of flexibility. ESP, which stands for Enterprise, Standards, and Productivity, will create this strong foundation, enabled by the technology and improved processes necessary for this changing environment. Expanded enterprise business services will enable HR business partners to deliver greater value for the business and to optimize employee experience. Understanding the future worlds and the space we enter will help us to develop our future capabilities. Being oriented towards the future organization and the future workforce is the aspiration of the HR team. An example of this future mindset is the House of Workability. The purpose of this project is to develop flexible and sustainable careers and to engage talents in the different worlds. The house has different floors. The basis is our health, no doubt about that. The next floor is based on our talents. Workability is driven and fueled by our values. The way we organize and experience our work will determine our energy at work. Our House of Workability is not isolated, but belongs to a company and is settled in a social environment. Families, friends, and social networks play an important role in building and keeping up our workability. As Johnson & Johnson and Janssen, we already offer a lot of building blocks on the different floors. We want our employees to take ownership and to be the designers of their own House of Workability. And we expect our leaders to use this framework to communicate with employees and to strengthen their workability. The One HR team. understands the future organization and future workforce by embracing ESP as a strong foundation, will support and guide future employees and leaders, and will act as one team.